Quality furniture construction is easy to accomplish with quality tools. Woodpecker's 6-inch carpenter square is just such a tool. Woodpecker's 6-inch carpenter square is a perfectly machined combination 90 and 45 degree miter square, which features engraved inch-scale markings on the vertical leg and handles for a physical reference to the edge of the workpiece, to ensure that perfect 45 and 90 degree angle every time. Quality begins with the blade being machined from high-grade cast and ground aluminum tooling plate. By milling the blade from the single plate, both angles are held to a much higher degree of precision than what's possible from stamped or molded plastic tools. The solid aluminum handles are fastened to the body with high-strength socket screws. Separating the handles from the blade ensures that they can be recalibrated to the blade if knocked out of position.
Here are a couple of quick tips for easy, accurate cutting with your square cut. First, make sure that you install the rubber feet that come with the square cut. They help it grip the board as you work. Next, set up the guide arm by making a test cut in a piece of scrap stock. Make sure that the saw's blade won't hit the guide arm on this first cut. Then hold the square cut against your board and cut by guiding the saw along the edge of the square cut. Now, without moving the square cut, loosen the bolt that holds the guide arm and slide it over until it's flush with the end you just cut. Then just tighten the bolt back down. With the guide arm positioned, every cut with the square cut's easy. Just align the guide arm with your cut line, hold the square cut in place, and make your cut.
Hey, this is Tyler here with an amazing new product from FastCap. This is the Spade Flush Mount Drill Bit System. Now what this is it's a depth adjuster for your spade bits, or your Forstner bits, or your drill bits, or any other kind of bit that you want to put in here. It's super simple to use. All you gotta do is take your bit, put it in, set it to about the right height you want. There's a micro adjust later, so don't worry about getting it perfect. And then start tightening one of the 3 set screws to center the bit. Now we put 3 in here so you can center any bit within the hole and use it for just about any bit that fits. Now it's a 3/8 hole, so any bits that you have with a shank diameter of less than 3/8 of an inch are going to work for this. Once you tighten all 3 set screws and get your bits centered, now you can loosen this knob right here and spin the collar for a micro adjust. There's very fine threads in here that allow you to move the collar up very precisely and get exactly the depth that you want. So then you just lock that down, chuck it up into your drill, and you're ready to go. Now you want to hold on to the top of the collar up here. That way that this collar doesn't spin and start marring or scratching up your surface. So hold on up high. You don't want to get your fingers in these chip clearing holes. We made these really big so that the chips fly out and don't get bound up and caught up in the collar. So hold it up here, away from the chip clearing holes, and start your repeatable drilling. And once you get down to the collar, it's going to stop that bit from drilling. Now that's your depth adjust. Another cool thing is since it's so wide, it keeps your holes perpendicular to the surface every time. Now I got 3 perfect holes that are the exact same depth, and I can do this across the job all day long. No worries about having different depths. You're going to love this product, the new Spade Flush Mount Drill Bit System from FastCap.
Go to fastcap.com and find out where
corner clip. It's a simple, inexpensive way to build boxes and cabinets from 3/4 inch lumber, one of the most common board sizes you'll find at do-it-yourself home centers. Here's how the easy corner clip works. A bottom clip and a top clip keep the sides of my box straight and square while I get ready for the assembly. Notice that my hands are free to pick up tools, collect fasteners, and make final adjustments. Next, I'll attach 2 small clamps. A spring-loaded or quick-release clamp works great, and they often cost less than a couple dollars each. The clamps do a nice job of bringing in both sides of my box to make a perfect 90-degree corner. Now that everything is secure and in place, I'm ready to start driving screws. But first I'll take a peek inside the special corner clip window, just to make sure the boards are coming together flush. That looks good. For this box, I'm using simple butt joints. My pilot holes have already been drilled, so now I can drive the screws. That's a tight and solid corner. How about pocket hole joints? The easy corner clip is a perfect companion. A small opening on the inside wall provides easy access for pocket hole drivers and screws. Building a bookcase? My easy center clip makes adding shelves to a box or cabinet quick and easy. First, clip the shelf in place. Add clamps. Then drive the screws. It's just that easy.
Introducing Freud's next generation Premier Fusion saw blade, the most technologically advanced general purpose saw blade on the market, delivering best-in-class cut quality for beautiful top and bottom finish results in veneered plywoods, flawless top and bottom edges in double-sided melamines, and an ultra-smooth polished finish in cross-cutting and ripping applications in hardwoods and softwoods. Freud's radical new Fusion Trio tooth design incorporates 3 high-precision grind configurations in each tooth. A 30-degree high ATB grind delivers flawless top and bottom edge cuts. The axial shear face grind dramatically improves feed rate for smooth, effortless cuts. And the double-side grind produces a smooth, polished-like finish, eliminating the need for rework. Every Freud Premier Fusion saw blade utilizes a special blend of Freud's Tyco high-density carbide, specially formulated to maximize life and cut quality in general-purpose applications. Freud's PermaShield non-stick coating reduces gumming, friction, and the destructive effects of heat buildup. And every Freud saw blade is laser cut from premium quality hardened steel plate for superior precision, and incorporates polymer-filled anti-vibration slots which reduce sound and vibration for straighter, truer cuts. So when you're looking for superior high-quality results from a general-purpose blade on which you can truly depend, the results speak for themselves.